So we're here in the loo and trying different things. Different things. It is nothing but the best Captain Jack Sparrow. And it's somewhat of a surprise that you don't even know. Captain Jack Sparrow is here today. And every time they tell me to put on my uniform and I actually do it. Tabby, the next time I see you, I'll see you in the next one. Have a good one. Happy Halloween, everybody. Take care and thanks for liking, commenting, and subscribing to my channel. I'm just a maintenance man in my own bathroom, of course, and that's how we do it. So put a like on this button or that button down there, and we'll see you in the next one. Hey guys, gonna be a short and sweet video, I hope. We'll get a dirty Ptac here. Not too bad on the filters. Some while ago I changed those, but yeah, we'll spray those out before I leave today. But the coil is pretty dang nasty. I got some coil cleaner coming. I don't have it yet, so I won't be cleaning the coils today. Our problem is when the fan is on. And luckily there was a what is it, paper clip sitting right there, so I could turn the fan with the paper clip without taking everything apart. But that little balancing piece right there, that is didn't really need the paper clip. I think that thing's hitting or something. I'll show you. Hold on. Let's turn on this fan, I guess. I don't care. There you go. That noise right there. Alright, so we turn that back off. And we're gonna have to wait now for that to shut back off. There we go. So I can tell that it's the indoor fan, and it's right there somewhere. Somewhere in there. I don't want it damaged. Yeah, I know that sounded rough, but it wasn't. So there's something, and I think it's that little balancing clip that they put on here. Or it could be bad bearings. Going out and it's hitting the side. And just making that noise. I don't know. There's a little balancing thing. See that thing right? Oh shoot, where's my thing? Right there. That's on one of the fan blades, and it helps balance the fan blade if y'all are new to this. And that thing probably slid over or something, I'm guessing. So what I'm trying to do is slide it back over without bending the fan blade or anything. And it's slowly trying to get there. Alright, now I did bend the other fan blade a little bit, but this is some tedious stuff right here, guys. Just gotta get a screwdriver on it. I mean, ideally, guess we could take the screen mesh off and have a little bit of extra access to it, but trying to be lazy here, guys. Trying to be lazy. Just for a ting 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 ting. Because I might get called back for this if I ignore it. I might, oh, you know, Mr. So-and-so's air conditioning's making a bunch of racket. He can't sleep and he needs you now. Yeah, this is the same guy I yelled at dinner because he couldn't hear me. Like, you gotta speak louder. So, that's funny. Huh. He's deaf as a wall. I bet he wouldn't even hear this. It would just irritate the nurses probably, and they would call it in probably and tell me that, well, he needs air conditioning. It's 84 degrees in there. What temperature does he want it? 84 degrees. Sorry about that. My hands are going all over my phone while trying to do that, but see, it's not doing it now. So that's making me. Okay, now it's doing. But it's hitting every time that balance. Yep, I think it's just hitting barely on that thing right there. If I could just get that to scoot off or over, or come on, give me a break. Alright, so y'all see what I'm gonna do, right? I need 2 hands for this. I'm gonna go like this, and I need to hold this with my hand and then pop this over. See if that helps any. 1 second, guys. Yep, should have just taken a second, and it did. So, see, slid it over. Make sure it's securely seated, because he's still doing it. Shoot, let me turn it on. So it ain't that. What the heck's stuck in there? You told me it's hitting the wire. I'm sticking my hand in there now. I wonder what's doing that. It's making that noise, because it looks like, y'all watch that, see? It looks like every time that balance thing comes around, that's making that tick noise. Tick, tick, tick. And it stops, see? No tick there. What if we took the balance clips off? Oops. Keep our screws out of there. Stuck to my arm. Alright, let's try that. I'm gonna try. Alright, again, need 2 hands. Hold on. Sorry, guys. Alright, so there's 2 of them on here. And maybe there should have been 3, and we're missing one, and it's out of balance. I don't know. I'm trying to do this without losing it. That's why you need 2 hands. But if this makes it worse. I came in here to work on his toilet, believe it or not, guys. Alright, so I just took the clip off. Guys, they're just these small little metal clips. But see, got nothing to do with those clips. But at least I know where the mark is, right here. Where I kind of scarred up the fan blade, but that shouldn't make a dang difference. It's right there. Where I marred it up a little bit, but I don't know what the heck. I've never had this problem before. That's crazy. Let me see. Take this panel off here. This thing is so dirty, man. I just need a lot of dust, like cobwebs. Yeah, well, of course you're gonna have to take the whole panel, electrical panel, and all that crap out. These screws have to probably come out. Yeah, they do. Alright, whatever. Let's just make it a Jeff the Maintenance Man video, shall we? Why not? Why not? Jeff, you didn't turn off the power. Not really in the power section yet, so I don't care. But just to make y'all happy, before I remove this panel, I will be turning off the power. There you go. BR out. Little GFI thing, I pressed the button on the side of it and tripped it. So power is out. As they say in Canada, it's out. It's out. Alright, let's see. We got a dead cat in here. What's going on? No. I thought it was hitting like a thermistor that came loose or something like that, but guys, I honestly don't know. And I'm not into, put that over here. What the snappy? What is doing that? It's just gotta be something inside the dang blower motor or something. Or have y'all ever had this problem before? Your fan looks balanced. There's another balancing clip over there, but it's coming from over here. That noise. There's not much wiggle. Maybe it's a blower motor housing or something. And I'm getting filthy, guys. Come on. Look at my pants, man. Jesus. Life of the maintenance guy here. And not to mention, this thing's whole dang apartment smells like pee. I'm saying anything bad about anybody. It's just not hitting this. The guard is held on by these two screws here. And if you take, by the way, guys, if you take this screw out and this screw out and remove this panel and you lift this up, right underneath there is your heat strips. They'll literally lift right up and out, and you gotta unplug them. You just gotta feed the wires back through the wire management hole over here, and you can just slide it in as one unit. So it's a box about yay big, and it just slides out. Yeah, there they are down there. And then there might be like another screw or something you have to take out, but pretty easy to get to. Yeah. So if y'all ever want to know how to remove the heat strips from one of these things, or check them out while it's still in the wall, and check to see if they're working, just make sure your fans are running. If you're gonna check your heat strips, because they'll get too hot and then the safeties will have to kick in or whatever. But guys, yeah, I'd love to hear this in the comment section below. What the heck, bro? Really? Because I'm about to put this one up, and you know, let me turn it back on and see. I don't think that's going to change anything. There we go. Let's see if this thing come back on. Alright, turn the fan. Nope. Ain't helping nothing. What the heck is that? No, I'm not putting that on the blades. I was putting it on the side. And I'm thinking, what the heck? Because the blower housing. Alright, I didn't put that on the blades. Again, I put it on the side of the wheel so I don't bend the blades. Give this a couple primes, just little primes, not much. It's not breaking the bank or anything. So let's give her a twist.
tell there is something. There's gotta be something stuck in there or something. It ticks every time it's on this blade right here, where I scarred it to mark it. Like I scraped the paint off of it. Oh, look at there. Pried on that a little bit. I think there was one of those fins or something. Yeah. Holy crap, there was something sticking out like right there. Like, yeah, part of the fin. Oh, that's weird. Never had that before on a Ptac. I bent it a little bit. Hey, sexy, sexy. Nice and quiet. Well, there you go. I was about to give up on this dang thing before I broke it. But, like I always say, sometimes you gotta break it to fix it. Guys, I'm Jeff the Maintenance Man. I'm gonna put all this back together and I'm gonna spare you the seeing me do all that stuff. And I'm dirty now. And then we'll clean the coils, we'll clean his filters, and clean his Ptac too. Ew. Guys, I'm Jeff the Maintenance Man. Thanks for liking, commenting, and subscribing. We did it again. We fixed something. Until next time, y'all have a great day. And we'll see you on the next one.
Captain Jack Sparrow.